Hello, Saf Gang. Welcome back to Shitcoins are Fun, your go-to spot for unraveling the mysteries of the cryptocurrency universe. Today, we're on a thrilling expedition into the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies, exploring the unique characteristics and fascinating quirks of altcoins, memecoins, and the notorious shitcoins. First up, altcoins, the innovators. These are what you call alternative coins, basically. Every cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. Think of them as the inventive cousins in the crypto family, each with their own unique traits and ambitions. They're not just Bitcoin wannabes. They're more like a diverse ecosystem, each trying to solve different problems or improve on Bitcoin's technology. They are often created to address the perceived shortcomings of Bitcoin, such as transaction speed, scalability, and energy consumption. Altcoins can be further classified into different categories based on their use case, market value, liquidity, technology, and development team. Memecoins, the celebrities of the crypto world. Born from memes and internet jokes like Dogecoin, they started as fun but have grown into their own phenomena. Investing in meme coins? It's like riding a viral wave. Unpredictable but can be exhilarating. They're more about community and humor, but don't be fooled. They can pack a punch in the market too. The shitcoins. These are the mischievous rebels of the crypto space. Typically, they have little to no underlying value or purpose, often created for quick gains. But here's the twist. They're like the lottery tickets of the crypto world. High risk, potentially high reward. Every so often, one might just surprise you and skyrocket in value. It's all about timing and preparations, of course. A bit of luck. So how do you distinguish these crypto characters at the carnival? Remember, in the exhilarating world of cryptocurrencies, it's all about understanding the landscape and enjoying the ride. In crypto, the only constant is change, and that's half the fun. That wraps up our crypto journey for today. Smash that like button, share the excitement, and subscribe for more thrilling crypto explorations. Stay curious, stay bold, and as always, keep your crypto spirits high. Every coin has a story to tell.